Hi, my name is Alexander Elson. My project is a character creation program with the addition of a story creation similar to Leonard Stern's Mad Libs. I chose to make a character creation because as a writer, character creation is both one of the most difficult and one of the most satisfying parts of writing. Making several characters can also make it difficult to keep the different characters straight. Creating a program that makes a list of characters from the user's input helps decrease the difficulty of the character creation process and the organization of the characters. The program allows the user to create a hero, supporting character, and villain, three of the most important characters in any story. It also allows the user to modify aspects of each character and view the details of these characters. The program also provides an opportunity to see the characters within a story. As the stories are similar to Leonard Stern's Mad Libs, not all the inputs will make sense, and some of the stories are just for fun. However, the user can still learn what situations their characters should not be placed in using these stories. In the future, I plan on adding more scenarios for the story command, as well as finding a way to save the characters between the runs of the program. For this demo, I decided that it would be best to make a hero using two example characters, an example villain, and an example supporting character. And then we will modify a supporting character and list out the villains before inputting these characters into a story. So, first up is the hero creation. The hero's name will be Sam. His nickname will be The Great. He will be male. He will be a male elf with red eyes, black hair, which is short, and he will be tall and thin. His motivation will be his family back home. His hobby will be gardening. His greatest fear will be spiders, because he reminds me of Samwise Gamgee from Lord of the Rings. He will use a staff to fight. He will be loyal and young. His villain will be the example villain Ganondorf, and his supporting character will be the example Midna. Now, we'll be modifying the a supporting character from the list, which only consists of the example Midna. First, do we want to modify the nickname? And we will to Twill. Her hair color will become red. Her hairstyle will stay the same, as well as her height, body type, but her motivation will be changed to her friends. Her hobby will still stay the same. Her greatest fear will stay as spiders. She'll still use magic to fight, and her personality will still be bossy. Her age will still be young as well. And her supporting role is still magic support. Next is listing out the villains. Once you get a list of villains, it'll ask you if you want to see the characters in any more detail. So we will put in Ganondorf's number to see all the details of Ganondorf the character. And last but not least, we will put these characters into a story. So we'll use the demo characters Sam, Ganondorf, and Midna. They will go into a fancy setting, and the perspective will be the hero. The scenario is Storm the Castle scenario, which has Sam and Midna rushing up the castle, rushing up a castle tower to save the princess and stop the evil Ganon from his plot of world domination. And that's about it. Thank you for listening. I hope you had a good time.